Here's one last final example about applying graphs of absolute value functions. Determine an absolute value function that models the shape of the Palace of Peace and Reconciliation. So here they have superimposed a grid onto this picture. So we have the top of our building here at the point 062. We have one end at 31, 0, and the other end at negative 31, 0. To write the equation for the absolute value function, we must determine the values of a, h, and k, and f of x equals a times the absolute value of the quantity x minus h, all plus k, from the graph. If we consider the absolute value as a piecewise function, we can find the slope of one side of the graph to determine the value of a. So we're going to start with the slope function, or the slope formula. So we're going to go y minus y over x minus x. So we're going to have y2, which is 0, and y1, which is 62. So 0 minus 62 over 31 minus 0. And that gives us negative 32 over 31, which simplifies to negative 2. Because this function opens down, the graph is a reflection of the parent function across the x-axis. So we know that the a value in the equation should be negative. Next, notice that the vertex is not located at the origin. It has been translated. The absolute value function is not shifted left or right, but has been translated 62 units up from the origin. So we know that our a is negative 2. We have no left or right movement, but we have moved up 62. So we plug in all of that information and we simplify, and we get that the graph for the Palace of Peace and Reconciliation looks like y equals negative 2 times the absolute value of x plus 62.